ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 25 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 6 ಭ್ರಾಮ್ಯಂತಂ ದಿತಿಜಾಧಮಂ ಪುನರಪಿ ಪ್ರೋದ್ಗೃಹ್ಯ ದೌರ್ಭ್ಯಾಂ ಜವಾತ್ ದ್ವಾರೇತೋ ರುಯುಗೆ ನಿಪಾತ್ಯ ನಖರಾನ್ ವ್ಯುತ್ಕಾಯ ವಕ್ಷೋ ಭುವಿ ನಿರ್ಬಿಂದನ್ ಅಧಿಗರ್ಭ ನಿರ್ಭರಗಲದ್ ರಕ್ತಾಂಬು ಬದ್ಧೋತ್ಸವಂ ಪಾಯಂ ಪಾಯಮುದೈರಯೋ ಬಹುಜಗತ್ ಸಂಹಾರಿ ಸಿಂಹಾರವಾನ್. Word by word meaning. Brahmyantam, who was circling around. Diti Jadamam, the wicked Asura. Punaha api, again. Javat, quickly. Dorbhyam, prodgruhya, catching with both the hands. Atha, then. Dware, at the entrance to the hall. Uruyuge, on thy two thighs. Nipatya, throwing down. Vaksho bhuvi, on his chest. Nakaran vyutkaya, thrusting thy nails. Nirbindan, tearing. Adi garbha nirbara galad raktambu, the blood gushing out from within. Baddhotsavam, with glee. Payam payam, drinking again and again. Jagat samhari simharavan, lion roars which could destroy the universe. Bahu udairayaha, thou didst emit many times. Full meaning. Then again, quickly catching with both the hands the wicked Asura who was circling around and throwing him down on thy thighs at the entrance to the hall, thrusting thy nails into his chest and tearing it. Thou didst drink again and again with glee, the blood gushing out from within, while at the same time emitting lion roars which could destroy the whole universe. Om Tat Sat.